What's up, guys? Wanted to make this quick video here talking about search term traffic, right? And how it's one of the biggest levers you can use to clean up your Google Ads campaigns. And a lot of people don't do it right. I mean, you can find winning keywords that are sending you leads that you're not even bidding on, right? And you can add those in your campaign to get more leads. You can find stuff that's killing you and turn it off or negative keyword it. So just wanted to make this quick video, just a reminder of how important the search terms report is in your Google Ads campaign. And that if you're not utilizing that you guys should be going in there and sifting through that data on at least a once every 7 day bender of going through the search term data and finding those negative keywords that you're spending money on, finding search terms that you're spending money on that are not converting. Now, typically how I decide if a keyword has to go, I'll do 0 for 10, right? So if it's 0 for 10 on clicks, and again, this is only because we do smaller, a lot of our accounts are smaller volume stuff. So it's important that, if you're like a junk removal client or something like that, or a auto detailer, 0 for 10 is a lot. So that's why I'll decide to use that to cut it. So that'll add that as a negative keyword if it's 0 for 10, or you can move that to 0 to 15, whatever you're comfortable with. I mean, obviously, if you're paying $30 a click for something, then 0 for 10 is really impactful because you just spent a ton of money with no results. So it really depends on what you're paying per click and what you're comfortable with, but that's generally my rule of thumb, is 0 for 10 or 0 for 15. And also you can find keywords that you're not currently bidding on and add them into your existing ad groups as more lead generation keywords. So just a quick tip, make sure you guys are utilizing that.